I'm right now at an airport, at an airplane, and there's a person getting deported to Afghanistan. Please don't take my phone, don't touch my phone. And the people here working are trying to take my phone away from me just because a person is going to get deported to Afghanistan where there's war and he's going to get killed. Right now, there is not the person that the family is. There's a family outside at the airport that thought that their brother and son was going to get deported today, but there is another man who is 52 years old that is going to get deported to Afghanistan, where he will most likely get killed. So I'm at the airport, and the people working here were trying to take away my phone, and the people who have been trying to deport the old man have actually pushed me and tried to forcibly move me. And what I'm all saying is that I'm not going to sit down until this person is off the plane, because he will most likely get killed if he is on this plane when it goes up. And the pilot has the right to say that he is not allowed to be on the plane. And as long as he is not on the plane, then I will comply. I'm waiting for the pilot's decision that is coming right here, right now.
Please turn it off.
I'm not filming you, I'm filming myself.
Anyway, you have to turn it off because the demonstration tape is going on.
Yep.
So you have to take your seat and turn it off, or you can leave the aircraft.
And what has the pilot said?
The pilot said we are going to Istanbul. In Istanbul they are going to decide what to do. Okay? We are not going to Afghanistan. So it's up to you.
But I don't want a man's life to be taken away just because you don't want to miss your flight. I'm filming myself.
Can you please turn it off first of all? Because now you are an unruly passenger. You are not doing what you have to do on board. Okay?
I'm doing what I can to save a person's life. So I'm only filming myself because there are a lot of people here watching, and I don't think that all of them want to be on the camera. But as long as a person is standing up, and if more people are standing up, then the pilot can't take off. So all I want to do is to stop the deportation, and then I will comply with the rules here. This is all perfectly legal, and I have not committed a crime. There is a person at the back who is going to be deported to Afghanistan. And if in Afghanistan there is a big war going on, and if he goes there, he will most likely be killed. So I'm trying to save his life. As long as I'm standing up, and hopefully if other people stand up, then the pilot can't take off. I'm just waiting for the pilot to say that he can't be on this plane and that he gets taken off the plane, and then I will leave. I'm very sorry that a man is going to die and that you are more worried about missing your flights.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Afghanistan guy.
Yeah, he's at the back. He's alone with Swedish people who is actually moving him from place to
The captain
place.
wants to learn. You want to fly or not? And first of all, please turn it off.
I want him to get off the plane because he's not safe in
We are
Afghanistan.
not authorized to do something like this.
The
Okay.
pilot has authority to make sure that he is not on the plane when the plane are.
We are not
lifting.
authorized to do something like this because officers are accompanying him. Okay?
Yeah, but
Okay?
he can say that
we are flight attendants, we are cabin crew, right? So what we are interested is, do you want to fly or not? And please, for the 10th time, I'm telling you, turn it off.
The pilot has the right to say that he will not leave this place before he gets off the plane. He has that right.
What do you want us to do?
I want the pilot to be able to say that he will not take the flight if the person is getting
This is not possible.
deported.
It's not the pilot who decides.
The pilot can decide not to go. That's his ultimate decision.
İstersek aynı şeyi bence onu indirirler. Biz de aynı düşüncede olabiliriz. Yani bu konuda bence bu
A lot of
konuda
people
öyle
on it, and you're upsetting all the people down there.
What?
I don't care what you think.
I'm just asking,
I'm just telling
what
you,
is
I don't
more
care.
important, your life
no.
or the time?
What about all these children on here? You are frightening. Take your phone off.
Don't take my phone. Thank you. So an English guy just got really angry and he stole my phone, but the flight attendant was really nice and took it back from me and gave it back. So now he's back in his seat, and all I want to do, it's not my fault that he's getting deported. I'm trying to stop this. I'm trying to stop it.
It's your country's rules.
Yeah, I'm trying to change my country's rules. I don't like them. It's not right to send people to hell.
But you're preventing all these passengers to go in their destination.
But they're not going to die. He's going to die.
How do you know that?
Because it's Afghanistan.
Kardeş biz de aynı şekilde düşünüyoruz bu arkadaşlar. Eğer
So as I said before, Ismail is not on this plane. It's an,
paramızı versinler.
Bu karar benim değil şu anda.
Ama pilot bey mi veriyor? Kim veriyorsa versin o kararı.
thank you.
Aynı düşüncedeyiz yani. O çocuğu ölüme göndermenin bir anlamı yok. Ya çocuğu indirsinler ya hep beraber biz de edelim. Şey yok.
So there's a Turkish guy helping me out and telling me that what I'm doing is right,
We are
right?
with you. No problem.
He's with me,
Also
with him, and some people are really applauding all this that I'm doing, and there's a football team at the back actually standing up. I don't know if they are trying to listen what I'm saying, but as long as they're standing, this plane is not allowed to go out.
Calma, nós precisamos saber o que está acontecendo. O que é?
Vad är problemet? Det är personen som ska bli deporterad idag.
Okej.
Han sitter ju längst bak och så länge som han är på det här planet så kommer inte jag sätta mig ner.
Okej. Men har du... Men vet du någonting? Ska han göra någonting? Eller?
Han blir deporterad till Afghanistan
Okej.
och i Afghanistan är det krig och åker han dit som har förmodligen att dö.
please calm down. Your mean, excuse me.
The flight
Your mean is
attendant,
this?
yeah.
Yes.
No,
Please read
this is another guy that was going here today. But today he is not on the plane. There's another man who's 52 years old, but the situation is still the same.
Yes. I understand.
So this is him.
You are right. We are with you. No problem.
Thank you. So there's lots of kids in the back who has been here in Gothenburg playing football. There are two different teams standing up, and I just want to salute them for standing up and being so brave. The flight attendants have said that they will solve this situation. I don't know how, but before I know what they're going to do, I will not sit down. I'm really not crying. They took away my papers when I got here to show the pilots.
Who are the
And now,
here?
yeah,
That's the problem.
and if he just goes off the plane, I will comply and go off the plane.
This is problem.
Ele está sendo deportado nesse avião, esse rapaz, para o Afeganistão. Essa é a questão.
E aí?
E ela está falando que pode acontecer alguma coisa aqui.
Ah, tá. Quem é?
So they've opened the doors at the back,
There's nothing to worry.
and I'm not seeing exactly what they're doing, but something is happening. People are standing up, trying to see what's happening, and the football team is still standing.
Don't worry. You want to your flight. You want to miss your flight. You will get your flight.
Não, tomorrow tomorrow 9 o'clock in São Paulo. Right.
9 o'clock Turkish local time.
9 o'clock tomorrow. My connection. No now.
In Turkey time.
Yeah.
So now there's a lot of people standing up or we show their backs. I don't know if they're standing with me. Some people are. And some people are looking and seeing what's happening. Okay?
We open the door, both
Yes.
you and that passenger will not fly, okay?
Okay, can I go at the back to you see him go down? Can I go back out of that
Just a
side?
minute, there is the officers.
Yeah.
Let us know what's the procedure,
Yes?
okay?
I want to see him go out, so can I go back?
I understand what you want to do, but the important thing is the rules, right?
Yeah? Can I go on that side and go down on that side? Yeah?
Sorry. Hello.
I'm going down soon.
Throw off the aeroplane, man. Throw it off. I want to go. Throw it off.
So as the flight attendant said, the 52-year-old man will go out of the plane, and so will I as soon as I see him out.
No, se la está fazendo vergonha. Tudo bem, nós vamos sair. Agora dá pra esperar.
They're taking his bags out, so I'm just waiting for the flight attendant to make me say that it's okay for me to go at the back of the plane to go out.
Bravo.
Não vai dar mão pra ela, então, não dá.
It's going to be
So
alright.
in this situation, you have to leave the aircraft too, okay?
Can I go at the back and leave the aircraft from the back?
The security is coming in a minute.
So the security is coming. I don't know what they're going to do with me, but whatever.
İstanbul'a gidince yer görevlileri çıkış ground service. Ondan İstanbul'a inince yer görevlileriyle konuşursanız orada size yeni bir bilet ayarlar. Böyle söyleyeceksiniz ki biz bağlantımızı kaçırdık. Uçağımız geç kalktı, bağlantımızı kaçırdık. Bağlantı uçuşumuz. Disconnection oldu diyeceksiniz. Onlar size yardımcı olur.
There was only one person on this flight today, but there will be
You can
more.
come to the front side and see with your own eyes.
That he's here, yeah. I will go to the front and see that he's
You don't want to
out
fly?
before I actually go off the plane. And when he is actually out, I will go off the plane and comply with the rules. So long I have not committed a crime, so... Är han ingripad?
Och det bara kommer ut här. Vad är det som har hänt?
Jag har försökt stoppa en rapportering och jag vill bara se att han är i bilen innan jag kliver ut.
Så du är en rapporteringsminister helt enkelt.
Jag ser bara en bil i sidan.
Nej, men nu är det så här. Nu är det inte du som tar och beslutar. Det är vi som bestämmer. Han åker av.
Okej.
Så vi tar inte, det är säkerhet framförallt. Han åker av. Vi behöver inte bevisa någonting.
Okej.
Så du ska av och du ska visa personalen här. Du har precis plats.
Nu stänger jag av kameran. Ja, jag stänger av kameran. Kan jag stänga av kameran?